Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you already have. Compute quota, dataset permissions, and network egress caps, because these shape your VPN choice. Once done, pick WireGuard for low latency or OpenVPN for broader support and plan split tunneling so only dataset traffic uses the tunnel. Next, provision a hardened Bastion or VPN server with SSH key access and reserved ports like 51820 or 1194. This gets you into the actual configuration step without guessing at resources or connectivity constraints. Now configure the VPN server. Install your chosen software, generate server and client keys or certificates, and store them securely. Then declare the VPN subnet, push routes to client compute nodes, and enable IP forwarding plus NAT so GPU instances reach private datasets. Make sure to tune MTU and choose efficient ciphers to reduce CPU overhead. Enable keepalive to avoid idle drops. Finally, test throughput and latency using iperf and ping so you can iterate on MTU and routing before moving to orchestration. Finish by integrating the VPN into your ML pipeline. Mount datasets over the tunnel using an NFS or S3 gateway, and limit per job bandwidth to avoid saturating links. Make sure VPN client startup is baked into node provisioning or container entry points so workers join automatically. Once running, wire monitoring and centralized logs for both VPN and IPtables, and add alerting for packet loss or high retransmits. If anything breaks, first check MTU mismatches, route tables, and firewall rules. Those three cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.